Hi, this is Chris Wiley with the Liv Realty Team at Remax Results, and thanks for watching. Our topic today is the 5 worst home updates. We often talk about the best home renovations. Now let's talk about some of the worst. Number 1, over-the-top improvements. Before your minor upgrade turns into a home improvement bender, ask yourself whether potential buyers in your area are likely to pony up for such posh upgrades. Unless you are planning to stay in your home forever, forgo that steam shower and carved marble tub. To home office overhauls. Home offices generally don't pay off in resales, but if you're working from home, they are a must. Keep the structure of the space, especially if it's a bedroom or a garage, so you can easily stage that room. 3. Swimming pools. They are great, but are controversial to a buyer. Some would like them and some hate them. 4. New roofing. Replacing your roof can help the resale, but don't go overboard. Clay tile or architectural shingles don't usually have much of a return on investment. And remember, always to check with your homeowners association to make sure there's any requirements for certain materials. And 5. Specialized spaces. There's a limited audience for certain upgrades such as a wine cellar or installing sliding slides between your kids' rooms and playrooms. I'm Chris Wiley with the Liv Realty Team at Remax Results, and thanks for watching.